Okay, everyone, welcome to Houdini Battle. My name is Debra Isaac. I am the host of this show, and we've been doing this for about 2 years now. We started during the pandemic, and it's pretty fun. This is our first ever live battle, so I already feel a little bit more nervous than usual, so that's fun. I'm the founder of Houdini.School. Come after and ask me what that's all about, please. And I also teach Houdini at UCLA. And first, we're going to make some introductions. So commentators, let's start with Remy.
Hey, so I'm Remy. I'm a Houdini pipeline at Company 3, previously Method Studio. Have been using Houdini for about 10 years now, I think so. Yeah, I've been commentating on Houdini Battle since the beginning. I haven't done all of them, but I'm quite used to it. So hopefully you will enjoy the whole commentating.
He's great. Tim.
So my name is Tim. Freelance Houdini artist, and I make tutorials and stuff. I also did the battle once, and I had a shared first place.
Yeah.
Not a real first place, but
it was
a shared
really
first
good.
place. So I'm gonna try to commentate as well. I've never done that before, but we'll see how it goes.
Excited to have you here. Thanks. Ro.
Hi everyone, my name is Ro. I'm an associate procedural technical artist at Parallel Domain, and I was one of Debra's students, and that's how I'm here. Over to you.
Sweet.
I'm Fraser from Hit Flash, from Sydney, and well, at least I live in Sydney. Feeling quite jet lagged and deeply regretting this.
You can do it.
Jesper.
I'm Jesper. I'm local to Vancouver. I teach at Vancouver Institute Media Arts. I write pipeline. I blow things up. I think I do Houdini too.
Peter.
Yeah, I'm Peter. I'm one of the training leads on the education team at SciFX. So yeah, I've been there for only a few months now, but I've been a user of Houdini for several years now. So.
Great. Thank you guys for joining us. Before I change the screen, can everyone scan the QR code? This is how you're going to vote for all of these players after the game. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here we go. We have themes: evil, chubby, space, soft and chaotic, ice cream, lamp, mushroom, clock, and fish. Oh gosh. We usually do a fancy Houdini flipboard thing, but this computer doesn't have Houdini, so we're doing it in a different way. We've got, so we'll do this website. Someone tell me to stop. Stop. 4 and 4. So that is chaotic fish. I don't know. Oh, you know what? Let's do this again because I didn't put the right number in. Okay. So you guys got a reprieve here.
We should have pipelined this.
Someone tell me to stop.
Stop.
5 and 2. Chaotic lamp.
Oh, chaotic
It's a little better,
Fortunately,
right?
not a
little
fish.
bit better.
So there you go.
And let's get our timers ready, synced up.
So how long do we have these
45
days?
minutes.
45 minutes. Usually online we have 1 hour these days.
Yeah, but for this one we had to do shorter.
Right.
And on your marks, get set, and go.
Just waiting for someone to do the Pixar lamp and like make it kill something or something.
Well, I think it's just a normal pixel lamp. It's already chaotic, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
Which letter does it crash?
Yeah.
So we're
it's
on
Fraser.
Fraser's
Oh,
screen right now.
So usually that's the first part. The contestants will usually look for reference just to get some ideas going. So it depends. Some artists just go for it, but sometimes it's good to look for a bit of reference to see, what could come up. So were we looking at Fraser?
Yeah.
Just
We can
lot
kind
of
of go
chaos.
through.
Yeah, we can go through
Yeah,
quickly through the contestants because it takes a while usually. Oh, wow.
Oh. Well, they got the same idea.
Let's see the third contestant if they looking at something different.
Yeah, try chaotic lamp. I mean, why not?
I would say Dali, maybe a Dali lamp with a knife.
Look at that, it's a pooping dog lamp.
I just like the monkey lamp. I want that at home. These are really cool, in fact. Debra, could you change the contestant?
Yep.
Peter.
Peter.
Already off to the start, making a lamp.
Now you can think you're in Houdini Battle. So there you go. You know what?
Peek now, right?
Thicken. I've never seen that node. I'm not kidding. I've never seen. Is it a new node?
You learn something every time in these battles.
We always learn something. I mean, even after 10 years, you're going to see even a junior. You look at them, how they work. You will find something new from them.
I think it might be new. I don't think I've ever used it.
Yeah, it might be a new node in 1905. I don't know.
Nope.
It's been there for a while. Well, I just suck now.
I usually just use a little poly extrude and fill it, or like peek it or something.
Oh, it's just a really simple node then. Is it a labs node?
Yeah.
Ah, there you go. Go labs. That's really that's really great.
Let's see what Ro's doing.
Oh, you're so
Scattering some points.
volume. Oh.
I already like the audience reactions. That's something we don't get on Zoom.
VOPs? Really? People tell you VOPs?
I don't want to see kind of
It's fine. VOPs are great. It's just, if you're a developer, you're like, oh, that's way longer than just typing it.
It's gonna maybe affect something or something?
Well, no, if you want to make some noise, like noisy volume, that's
Yeah, but I
that's
mean,
also
like
great.
maybe he's gonna do a thing of things like attracting the points with it or something.
Could be, yeah. Could be using VDB and just affecting points using VDB.
Woo! Should we go back to Fraser?
Yeah, let's have a look at Fraser. I was looking at reference earlier.
Whoa!
Well, we have chaos
That,
already.
yeah. I was gonna say.
I'm going to say we are asking for chaos, not for crashing Houdini.
Everyone will interpret chaos differently, Remy.
Yeah, like are we making a chaotic good or chaotic evil lamp? I mean, that's
But yeah, it's the beginning, so it takes a while for things to come up, especially if their ideas are not there yet. And sometimes it comes up. You're like, as an artist, you're like starting to do something, and got another idea and change it. Then that happens a lot during these battles.
Has it like ever happened that like during these battles, like I haven't seen everyone, but has like ever happened that somebody just didn't come up with anything or?
That's never happened before.
Okay.
Not really.
I mean, you never know. Like,
I mean, bad ideas have happened, but that's fine. The worst is just having someone crashing for 20 minutes because they're trying to use a redshift or something like that. That did happen a few times.
you should actually get like the lamps 3D printed at the end. We'll have like real lamps and we'll be like Houdini lamps.
Do we need a labs? Is there a labs lamp node? That's what we need to know.
If not, we need one.
I mean, why not?
See what Jesper's doing.
I'm impressed also. No, the mountain sub is not a mountain sub anymore. It's an attribute noise that has been also changed. So who are we looking at now?
Yes, he's making
Jesper. All right, so we can see that Jesper is a developer, so he's using pan triangles. Probably you will see that a lot.
I guess he like, because you can also do like the width on the sweep node itself now, right? So I'm wondering why he has the wrangle. Oh, okay, different direction now.
Oh, it's a different way of making a skin for his lamp. That's the old way,
Yeah.
I would
Oh,
say.
snap.
It feels like he's doing nubs.
Does anyone like NURBS here? I like NURBS. Am I the only one?
You're the only one.
Apparently.
I'm pretty sure you're the last person to use nubs.
I like NURBS,
No,
you know what?
if you're in the
shame.
automotive industry, yes. But if you're doing visual effects, you're not going to use nubs. I don't think even DreamWorks uses it anymore. I think they used to make all their characters with nubs. But yeah, changed it probably a
Or
while ago.
NURBS curves. How about that?
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Looks like a bust or something.
Well, they're making their lamp, so it feels like they could maybe making vases, but I mean, why not? A chaotic animated lamp, yes, that's also a good idea.
That's what I said, sir. That's what I said as well.
Should we take a look at Peter?
Yes, let's have a look at Peter.
Oh,
There you go.
we already got a lamp. Now to make it chaotic.
Well, we're seeing, see the name
Oh.
of the. We're doing some
Oh.
pyro.
Oh, it's gonna.
Now.
Oh, okay. Gonna be exploding lamp, I guess.
So let's see. Is his GPU going to explode instead? I mean, I gotta say, like the pyro burst source is a really cool node that was added 19, I think. They did that. It does help to get the shape of all your sources. Before it was all made by hand. It was a pain. People just make mountains up and just try to make the shape, but it's still always a pain.
37 minutes left.
Oh. A judgment clock. Tick, tock.
Kind of wondering where this is going, because I thought maybe he's gonna do some explosion and actually blow the lamp up, and now it's moved up. So kind of interesting to see where that's going.
I just want to see if he's going to actually make a volume simulation from it, or just get the source. 'Cause, I mean, volume simulation during a Houdini battle, that's quite a challenge.
I mean, maybe he's gonna do like a still frame from it, like Power Solver's rather like semi-fast these days. So.
Well, it's true. When now Pyro is running on GPU, it's actually quite fast. So why not?
Let's take a look at
That's Ro. Yeah.
Oh, that's starting to look pretty cool.
I like seeing IDs. So I'm guessing he used probably find shortest path.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now I see it. Yeah, so that's probably my favorite Houdini node. So I try to use it whenever I can. It gives you this really organic look just from any geometry.
It's kind of like a plant or something. Maybe he's gonna make like little lights or something on the thing. It will be like some sort of alien lamp kind of thing.
Kind of looks like the spaghetti monster to me. Or maybe it's the base of Cthulhu.
Just wanna say
Cthulhu lamp.
It's a pleasure just watching you guys try to demystify this.
right. So we're trying to predict what's going to happen.
It could also be like, now it looks like the map of the tube or like the metro or whatever. That's really interesting. I kind of like where it's going.
Me too.
All right, switch to Fraser. And the internet is bad, so it's taking a while to watch it.
Oh.
There you go. We have
Already in stage context, already starting to set up some renders, I guess.
Oh, we are in LOPS. Yes.
Oh.
Oh, that's cool.
Now, are they gonna try it with XPU or with CPU? That's the question.
Or maybe they're going to use Redshift.
It can handle
yeah,
it.
that's good. It could be. I don't know if it's on their laptop.
Maybe we're going to see the first crash.
Yeah, everyone save.
Yeah,
Good time to save.
it's probably a good idea.
Oh, yes.
33 minutes left.
I like the structure. It looks like a science world. So for people that are not from Vancouver, there's this sphere in the middle of Vancouver that kind of looks like that. So if you have missed the previous talk about Solaris and how to set up a simple scene, well, there you go.
Okay, how about...
He's going to be done really fast.
Want to look at Jesper now?
Sure, yeah. Someone has fans. There you go. That's very nice. Whoa, a lot of fans. What did you do with them?
I think I think we already got a winner. Or not even.
All right, we have our typical lamp.
Yeah. It's a starlight.
It's like from Mario, something like that. I think his laptop is really slow. I don't know if it's
Could be us. I mean,
just the
Zoom is
zoom,
a little
maybe the zoom.
Yeah.
Pretty sure it's on our side.
Okay, what's gonna happen now? Oh, he's gonna do some simulations. Oh no, there's a new node. All right.
I think Houdini has too many nodes these days. Did you see that list?
It's gonna be a lot of lamps.
And hopefully he's instancing them, because, well, it's a lot of lamps.
Okay. Let's look at Peter.
Have a look at Peter.
Oh.
Ooh, that's really cool.
Got some volumes going on.
We even have a badly displayed Solaris network. Nice. That's too bad. We have missed the simulation, or maybe just converted these points to volume. I'm quite happy that we're seeing some laps. I gotta say that for quite a while we didn't see any laps while doing any Houdini battle. It's quite nice to see that people are kind of starting to use it. It has been there since 16.5, but only for a few people.
Yeah.
All right, wasn't it like 17 or something that came in?
Well, if you knew the right environment.
But I mean, it's only been like pretty recently that it actually became like somewhat easy to use. Like in the first couple versions, it was not necessarily that great to use.
Well, you know, it's completely new, but a few studios are going for it now. So if people are thinking, oh, lighting, I should go for Katana, or I should go for, I don't know, Claris. Actually, a lot of studios are moving to Solaris. And having a full USD pipeline does help, just having Solaris for that.
Maybe have a look at next.
Yes, maybe we should have a look at Ro with his cool. Oh well, he's trying around and it's not finding what you want, I think.
It's looking kind of
Oh,
cool,
that's
huh?
really cool. It's like the blade from hell.
It's kind of like it's starting to like sharpen out a little bit. In the beginning, it was it was like super organic. Now we got a lot of sharper shapes going on.
And I like that he's animating it with carve. So since he has some curves, he's just using carve to kind of cut the tip of the curve, and using the sweep, it will create some geometry from it. And it gets animated. So let's see what he's going for. I don't know if he knows what he's going for, but or if it's just like playing around and.
We'll all find out.
It will, yeah.
There's already some good camera work. This could render nicely already. There's no need to make it too complicated sometimes. Null node name.
Null geo.
Is that a new thing, or is it just one of your tools?
It's one of the tools that I think I saw it on YouTube.
Okay.
Small script.
Yeah, just to have all your names node and probably colored. That kind of helps. And usually people name all their nulls, or always name your nodes. It's really important if you're going to give your scene to someone else. It's really complicated to look at a scene where everything is called attribute triangle 1, 5, 10, 12.
I don't think you want to see the scenes I work in.
I think we've all seen these scenes.
Well, that's after I clean them up.
Also, I'll also recommend using the output sub. Always use it instead of a null if you want to have your geometry coming out of it. The day you change the rendering, the render node on it, you will be happy you had the output sub instead of the null. Should we have a look at Fraser? Oh, so we have quite a setup for lighting already.
Oh, it's rendering. He's using XPU, it seems.
That's cool.
Really cool. So there you go, showing Houdini's capabilities without any third-party plugins. And it's only 9 seconds. I'm gonna say there's nearly no noise on this image, so that's pretty good.
It's pretty good. 26 minutes.
Also, no, I'm not working for SideFX, so I'm not trying to sell it.
He's
yeah. How much time is
26
that?
minutes.
26 minutes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Should take a look at Jesper.
Jesper? Yeah.
all right.
Oh, Jesper, come on. No, I understand, especially if you're doing some noise using the VOPs.
Oh, he's
Oh, now that's cool.
Oh.
There you go, Jesper. B-box? Damn.
What's gonna happen?
I don't know, but I'm interested now. Now he's like probably stressing his mind out. He's like, oh my God, people are looking at me trying to make something in VOPs. That's probably even worse than trying to have someone look at you while you're coding.
I think he's just trying to create a RAM value based on the length of the thing, or what is he?
I don't know what kind of B-box he's using, so it's difficult to tell. But from what's, I think for the things to be on the side to be smaller or bigger, maybe. Difficult to tell so far. Well, he's going to output the color, so maybe we'll see it. Oh, so the bottom is actually darker. Oh, you're sneaky. I like, so you can tell that he's just using like all the old nodes. He could have done that with like Houdini 13 or 12. I'm pretty sure all these nodes were already there.
Yeah, but it's like once you get used to a certain workflow, you just tend to sort of stick with it, and then make all kinds of these nice new nodes, but then people like don't even use them.
Well, I think Jeff Wagner actually used the points up when he actually was at the Houdini Battle. So that's how old he is.
Isn't the points up gone?
I don't know if it's gone. I haven't tried to put it down. So the points up for new users is just the node you would use to create attributes at the time. And since then we have wrangles and we've had more tools, but it was heavily used, let's say Houdini 12, Houdini 13, up to that time.
Yeah. But I mean, like, even if you want like the stuff that's gone, you can still get them via like the text part. You can add like the hidden nodes. So
Yeah.
I guess if you really want to use it, you can.
If you really want your old, what's it, polyfill or polycap.
Exactly.
But if you want the old cloth solver, you were not going to get it. They completely removed it. And believe me, you don't want it.
Should we look at Peter?
Yes, of course. Oh. That's you're getting good renders very quickly with Karma these days. And I don't think they're on like, you know, the best laptops ever. So it's probably really fast anyway.
Maybe you might want to turn some subdivisions on because the light is a little bit angular looking. But
ooh, I like the light going through the volume.
fancy schmancy.
Mm.
I think it looks like Tahiti Bob somehow. Oh, God damn it. I said the name in French. It's Sideshow Bob. Sorry. It's a different name in French.
Okay, there we go. Now it's
in
nice
French,
and
it's
smooth.
Tahiti Bob. I don't know why Tahiti, but well, don't ask me.
Like still the lamp itself is not quite chaotic. It's mostly the fire that's like really chaotic. The lamp itself is still pretty unchaotic.
I don't know if the moon shape
Yeah, like
light
the
at the bottom
base.
is made on purpose. It kind of looks cool. Should we change
Sure.
contestants? So row. Oh
We're
God.
in Unreal now.
Okay. Is that loud?
Are we in the Houdini Battle?
Is
I
it
allowed
legal?
I allowed it.
Just to render it?
Just to render, yeah.
Fair enough.
Everyone uses their own renderer. I mean, you know.
Well, that's kind of weird, but well, it's still Houdini Battle, kind
I
of.
think it's cool. I like it.
Extra points for like originality.
Yeah.
And I think at the end he will have to explain why he went for Unreal.
Oh yeah, I can do that.
It would be interesting to know what the thought process is.
Is that real-time motion blur?
So there, I can't commentate much. I have never used Unreal. Sorry.
Well, you can just say whatever you want about it.
We're moving around.
I don't know.
Buttons are being clicked.
It looks cool. I like the fact that they have a contents browser. That's something we're missing from Houdini. I think they added something at some point.
My gizmo disappeared. I have no idea why.
Well, we're not going to help you on this one.
We're like already stretching the rules here, so need to get yourself out of this mess.
Should we have a look at another contestant?
Fraser.
So, Fraser.
Oh, chromatic aberration.
Do I need different glasses for that? Or?
Well, it's interesting to see some cops.
That's cool. Yeah.
Okay, so we had one participant, which you may all know as Matt Estella, that did a whole Houdini battle using cops.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
That's probably the most interesting one in my head because I
Yeah.
don't think anyone uses
was
cops
crazy.
these days.
Yeah, well, like cops can be interesting for like just manipulating some noises and stuff like that, like or like some
And he's
imagery.
using chops, which is also uncommon, right?
Yeah, chops and cops.
We had to use Apprentice. We had tech issues.
He literally installed Houdini like 10 minutes before we started this.
You got that, Fraser?
So side effects, did you get that? Because that means you can get some renders with Mattel Max.
Got it.
What's the brief
Thank you
again?
so much.
Interesting.
Pic.pic.
Oh, okay.
This is actually
That's a native file format, Rob?
Is that float supports float values?
EIC is our format, so nobody else can read it, so you don't get watermark.
But he's asking if
Really
it's a
cool.
float format. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
So there you go, you can use cops
Cool.
directly without a watermark.
Chaotic lamps. That was.
I like
Yeah,
it.
that's kind of interesting.
About 17 minutes left.
Like I can already see myself like at some party late at night, and this is a VJ loop sort of.
That's
All
really
right,
cool.
let's have a look at Jesper.
They got some more color now.
So he's actually doing lighting the old way, so he's not using lobs. He's just making a bunch of geometries and just doing it in at object level.
Well, I mean, if he's gonna use mantra, he should hurry up because else he's not gonna finish in time.
He's going to use redshift. You can see the
wait,
at
he's
the
using
top.
a redshift light. All right, there we go.
We've had a lot of users using redshift over the Houdini Battles. I mean, that's still probably one of the fastest renderers we have.
Like it's really fast and also like really well integrated. It's just super easy to use in Houdini.
But let's see if Karma takes over. Sorry, I don't really know the redshift, so it's just a material. So
Should we look at Peter?
yeah, let's let him set it up. Ooh, with rules. Material drinker. I guess I never had to use that. So we have participants that are really going for rendering more than making some kind of weird geometries or simulations this time.
Yeah, but I mean, well, like, there's not that much you can do, I guess, with a chaotic lamp in terms of simulation. I guess, well, maybe you could, but
I'm pretty sure people would have ideas.
You could, I mean, you could have blown it up.
So I don't know if the lamp itself is self-emitting or if it's actually translucent that's going through, or SSH. Oh, yeah, that's subsurface scattering. All right. Nice.
New in XPU.
Oh, that's cool.
Ooh, look at that.
like
now
that.
that's sexy.
Yeah.
There you go. Now it looks nice. That's a really good lampshade now. All right, let's have a look at Ro. Yeah.
We're back in Houdini.
It's true that it was in Unreal earlier.
I think he's making like the center shape now or something.
Yeah, I still have no clue what was his lamp at the time. Just, it's okay. He will explain what he was doing later.
So I forgot how to do loft. That's the right.
Oh, that's the the skin. You can just use skin.
Yeah,
no?
skin.
Okay, yeah, I'll try that.
Or revolve.
Yeah.
With
Well,
revolve.
you can just put it in the sweep as well. There's like you were doing before.
Sorry, skin was the wrong answer. It's a revolve, if I remember well. If it's
Oh,
still
you wanna spin it around?
there. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So
There you
you
go.
wanted?
Yeah, that's the one. Thank you.
Yay!
"13 minutes."
Oh, time running out.
Usually that's when we tell people, okay, try to think about, making a render or finishing it up, but they have already done that.
Yeah.
Even in Unreal. And I'm pretty sure that's the first time we have someone using Unreal for Houdini Battle.
Trying to get
think we'll start
the
seeing
normals
that more.
reversed.
There's the reverse node.
Yeah, but it didn't seem to do what he's after.
All right, should we have a look at Fraser, I think? Yeah.
Yeah.
He's really spending his time on having his render looking right.
Yeah, because I mean he had like the shape done pretty quickly.
Yeah.
What?
I'm not sure. I'm trying to add both my light and geometry primitives into my primitive selection, but really struggling.
Does anyone know the answer to that?
I had to ditch the previous presentation to come here, so I could not see it.
Because it's not working if you just drag them in like you did, or?
Well, I can do one or the other. If I try and...
Oh, but you do the group. I think you should do /star, and then it should.
Yeah, but I want to leave the background. I want to leave one of the pieces of geometry. So.
Yeah, but I mean, if you have lights, you want to grab all the lights in the group. You should /star, I think. No, I mean like light, and then after the thing /star, and then it'll grab all of the things in the group.
Yeah. It's just a renderable light, so it might not be working in the same way.
Would be light
just,
or
just trying to set the visibility, but that's perhaps not going to work with it being a light.
Oh, you wanna hide it?
Yeah, just to the camera.
Isn't that a setting just on the light itself?
Yes, but I can do that as an edit, can't I? Light edit, of course.
Oh. That works well.
all right. He's struggling, so probably we should leave him. Not like
Jesper.
Oh, there you go.
That's starting to look interesting.
That went quickly.
The lamp itself isn't shining yet. So.
Well, it's chaotic. It can be anything he wants.
It's black light. Oh.
Like bulb. I like this word.
Just waiting for him to open the post-processing menu and like go to town with like all of the.
Oh yeah, to add a big halo on each of them.
Yeah, like a halo, like a glare and a lens flare and everything. It's gonna happen. Just wait and see.
And depth of field. Come on, I'd look good with that. Oh, is there a denoiser in Redshift directly?
Yeah, there is. There's two different ones. You have the
optics.
You have the NVIDIA optic, and you have the other one, the one they bought and never really did much with.
Cool.
I forgot the name.
I think Jesper's going to flicker his lights. That's my prediction.
That means he will have to render a sequence, so he will have to finish quickly. So.
I mean, his frames seem to be quite quick. It could be happening. Maybe he's going to do it in Premiere. I mean, we have Unreal, so render it and do it in cups.
Literally that.
All right, should we have a look at
He's
Peter?
really organized with his R&D notes.
Oops, wait.
Right, so adding some light to the pyro thing.
We have lost the crescent at the bottom. Oh, I'm removing points. I think that cell phone's music was perfect for that.
I know. That is a good one. We have 8.5 minutes left.
Oh, 8 minutes left. Nice. So it did go through a pyro solver, so we didn't see it earlier. I thought it just rasterized his source, but no, I guess it did go through it. Oh, a pyro post-process. Again, a node I've never seen before. Sorry, I'm pipeline. That's why. That's really interesting to see all these nodes being added to side effects, to Houdini.
Yeah.
Makes things really easier.
Yeah, like the pyro post-process as some scattering volume. You can do like sort of fake light scattering and stuff, so you don't have to do real light bounces to your volume and stuff like that.
That's really cool.
It's pretty.
I think it's chaos, so it can be both at the same time. Oh my.
Should we look at Ro?
Yeah, of course.
Whoa. It's a material. It's an emissive material. Look at him building his...
That's definitely the most chaotic image we've seen from the beginning.
That's starting to look pretty cool with the volumetrics.
That's cool.
All right.
I mean, like, that's the benefit, I guess, of doing it in Unreal. Like, it's really easy to get nice post effects and, like, depth of field, stuff like that.
So I think I need some either Doom or Quake music now.
That's looking pretty cool.
It looks really cool.
That's just the beauty of Unreal, I guess. It's so easy to just make stuff that looks like super, not easy, but like just really fast too. Make stuff that just looks nice.
On the side, it does look like a video game level as well. So it's perfect.
I like that motion blur a lot when he tumbles around.
Free motion blur. Nice. I wish we had that in VFX. I really love the look of it.
Yeah, it's looking really, really chaotic. So it's like it's going pretty well after the topic.
All right. Should we have a look at the next contestant?
Yeah.
Fraser. Yeah. Oh well. Did you find out how to get your lights going?
I kind of gave up with that.
We have less than 6 minutes. So
but I think it's just a tick on your light, right? So.
Yeah, and I set it as I used a light edit to do it, but it's still there in the render time. Yeah.
Just say it's a bug. It maybe not, but you can defer it. That's a good point. I mean, it's kind of hidden to just be able to use XPU.
Maybe not being able to hide the lights, maybe just a XPU thing. Maybe it's just not supported yet. I don't know.
I like its design. It looks like it could be in a magazine. In fact, in the final result, $5,000, of course.
Maybe if you add like a little bit of volume, you're gonna get like a little bit more of a glow in between, and it's gonna look cool if you have.
But does
center light?
But does Karma have a post-process, an easy post-process?
I don't. But like that's what he's doing in Cops, right? Like the post-processing type stuff. So.
That's like doing it on hard mode, like Cops.
Yeah, I mean it works.
But can you make? Can you make things glow in Cops? Like apart from blur?
I'm not sure if there's a glow cop. But I mean, you can just
scratch.
blur it, I guess, and then just subtract the render and then just merge it on top, I guess.
All right, we should have a look at the next contestant because we don't have too much time left, I guess.
How many minutes do we have left?
Less than 4 minutes.
Oh, look.
It's getting to the end.
It's the final countdown.
All right, so looks like Jesper is still rendering his stuff. I don't know, it feels like there's a big light in the middle as well.
Yeah, I feel like the light in the middle is like kind of white right now. What I mean,
it's God, it's the chaos. You know? It has to be really chaotic.
You should make it like pink, then it will be chaotic.
There was one thing that started everything. It's the Big Bang. What you're seeing, it's the Big Bang in the Mario Brothers world.
Exactly.
Should we have a look at the next contestant?
Yes.
It's really the end. So Peter. I gotta say the renders are starting to be a bit longer. It's probably the subsurface scattering is making it way slower, I'm guessing.
Or the laptop is just warming up and is starting to throttle down. Like.
So do your laptops still have batteries? Also save, just in case. You win if your laptop sets itself on fire. That's the actual chaotic land.
2 minutes.
Oh. And like we can't really see the distinction between the lamp and the fire at the top anymore. That looks cool.
Yeah, I kind of guess the idea is that the lamp is sort of mixing into an explosion instead of coming out of it or something.
And we should have a look at Ro.
Oh, that's really cool. I like it. It looks very demonic, to be honest. It's like the Eye of Sauron or something, but then a lamp.
Princess Mononoke 2. There you go.
Yeah, that's super cool.
I mean, he needs to render it. So. It's probably the fastest way to just do it with a control command.
Wow.
And he's yeah.
You need a command line to save an image from Unreal.
Yeah,
wow.
it's a command that's like a high-res shot.
It's pretty cool too.
It looks amazing, guys.
Yeah, it's great. I like it.
Less than 1 minute.
So we should have a look at the other contestants really quickly.
Let's get the stills.
And just make sure you have your stills ready.
Trying to
or animations, but
get the animation out in time. Can he do it?
Compositing.
How many seconds?
So, I think Cops is still single-threaded, but I think there's an environment to set it to multi-threaded now. I'm not too sure. No, I think it's also on GPU. Was it?
Wait, it is?
I think there, or maybe not released.
20 seconds, you guys. 15
Oh,
seconds.
is he gonna make it in time?
12, 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
go!
Stop!
Congratulations!
That's so awesome. Thanks, guys, for participating.
Dude, that's pretty good.
We're going to go through each one. I don't think we have time to do a little presentation.
You're right, yeah.
So it's time to actually vote.
That is good.
So let's make sure everyone has the QR code.
Who are you voting for? Are you gonna remain?
Oh, as a commentator, I would vote for every one of them.
I'm gonna put all of the boxes.
I'm not kidding. There are a few Houdini Battles. No, I don't. I think you can only vote for one person. There are a few Houdini Battles I really had no clue who to vote for.
Oh look, you can actually put the multiple buttons. Look, it works.
Oh, you can actually vote all of them.
So we're looking at Peter's. This is Peter's final, everybody.
Explosive.
Rose final.
Eye of Sauron. I'm giving them names.
Fraser.
VJ Loop.
Let's say eye check.
Oh, you guys look!
Look.
The Zoom doesn't do it justice, so you have to see it on his.
Wait, I wanna see it
That's
up
really
close.
cool. I like that a lot.
All right, let's have a look.
It's stuttering.
Nice. Yeah.
And Jesper.
Bad internet.
Awesome.
Explosive lamps.
Okay, one sec. Let me get the.
So let's see. Can you?
Yeah, 1 second.
Or cops. That's crazy.
Yeah. You went pretty the most
outdated
part of Houdini. I love cops.
Cops are good.
A lot of the lab stuff for like going to game engine stuff has like a lot of cops in it.
Don't get me wrong, cops are good, but not if you only have 45 minutes.
Okay, so you guys, I'm voting for everyone since it's, you know. So
I'm gonna turn this right.
So here we go.
Oh,
Now you
looks
can
like
see it in real
Rose
time.
11s.
Everyone's
Nice.
voting right now.
Oh.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Oh.
Now's when you narrate.
Oh.
I think we're.
So did everybody vote?
Does everybody vote? Yeah?
Participate in
Okay.
democracy.
Oh. We have some time lag now.
What do you think? Should we call it?
I think we can call it. I
Yeah.
don't think. Are people still voting?
Oh, you can't get online?
I mean, it's just
Okay.
one vote. So
Yeah. Okay. Well, it looks like Rose the winner.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Go row, go row.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for participating. It is a community service, and we all appreciate it. So,
Thank you for organizing.
yeah.
Thanks for doing this
And
stuff.
thank you, commentators, and thank you, all of you, for joining. We'll see you online for next month.
I gotta say, I really enjoyed having public for once, not just commentating by myself.
It's really great.
Really
That
fun.
was really cool to hear your reactions to everything. And I think what's happening next is real. So if any students are here, there's going to be some real reviews happening in the Hive next. So great. Well, thanks for coming, guys.